Like I said, you lucked out on that because there's not many. Oh, back there, Dad. Back there, Dad. Last one.
I don't have much of it.
All right, guys, first fish of the day.
Holy small. Well,
Let's see.
we'll see.
I was telling my dad I was getting tired of fishing for reds. Let me push this in. So we came to give the cats a try. I think we're about, what do you think, 10 minutes, 15 minutes into our first drift?
Yeah.
About 10 or 15 minutes in, guys. We'll see. Should be decent. Should be decent.
Is that fighting?
Well, it's going to be a blue on the channel. Yeah. Oh, the channel actually. Slid right out. It's a nice channel. Do you want catfish?
Yeah.
You want catfish? Yeah. All right. All right, guys. First fish of the morning. It's a nice channel. My dad wants dinner, so there it is. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm looking at a... Alright guys, this is going to be a very short video. Yeah, I went out fishing with my dad this morning. We were changing it up. Wanted to try for some catfish. Started off pretty good. Thinking our first 15 minutes we got one channel. And then it kind of died off from there, but probably about an hour into the trip, I don't know, I started feeling really sick. Pretty much was just sitting on the boat, didn't have any energy to move, or even stand up for that matter. So, you know, my dad said, let's just call it quits. So we ended up just, you know, pulling up, went back to the dock. I didn't even want to clean the fish. Thankfully, there was a guy there at the cleaning station. He had some catfish. We just asked if he wanted it, so he took it. And then just came back home. Still not feeling good. I don't know, you know, felt real good this morning and just, I don't know what hit me. So didn't even take any pictures. I'll probably use one of the thumbnails that just comes up in the video. So sorry for the short video, but enjoy it. And I have a trip on Thursday. Hopefully I'm feeling good by that day. And we'll probably be trying for some redfish. So we'll see. See y'all later. Again, enjoy the very short video.